the very fast heat dissipation, okay? And we have many different interfaces in the front, here, and at the side, and at the back. And we also have attached to the pan, okay, it's by magnet, okay, like this. This type is this is the sample. This one have not the camera and the microphone, but we can also accept you making the microphone array and the camera here. So it depends. For the motherboard, we have 3 plus 32, all 4 plus 32. All we have 6 plus 4 plus 64. Okay, so different motherboards for you to choice. And let me introduce you the functions. Okay. 开脸帮我看一下，这边不是很对得到。
这里是吧？
啊，对，那个你看那个镜头不是很，我看得到。
你看我调，这样可以吗？
再后一点点可以吗？
可以吗？可以吗？
往我这边一点点。
哦。OK。
Okay, this is the IU of the service, and this is the. Let me change the language first. This is the Vietnam. Okay, we can change to English. Okay, now the language is English.
罗买家进入直播间了。
And this is the service, and we have many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 main functions here. Now let me introduce you one by one. We can get back to the home page from here. It's very easy to use. Firstly, this is the whiteboard, because we know this is the name is interactive whiteboard. Okay, so this is the most important function of this device. So for the interactive whiteboard, we can write anything here. We can change the pen color. We can change the pen size. Okay, we can also change the pattern. We can change the pattern. You can see it's different. Okay. Let's change to this the most again. Okay. Okay, and we can eraser. We can use our hand to erase like this.
罗买家进入直播间了。
Okay, just like this. It's very easy to use. And we can also add different shapes, such as the circle. We can make it larger, or we can copy. We can add stars. We can make it larger, change the direction. Okay, we can also delete it. We can have different designs. It's right, you can see it, right? Okay. And we can also choose different colors as you want. Okay, this is the background. We can change the background color to different, let's say green. Okay, so we can choose. Let's say.
罗买家进入直播间了。
You can change the color, and you can also change the picture shape. You can change this. Yeah, you see the difference? We can also add our own pictures as the background. It's very easy. Okay, and this is undo, easy to understand. This is redo, undo, redo. Yeah. And we can select each part. Okay. And this is multi-touch and single touch. But single touch means when we have two points, we can just write one. This is multi-touch, okay? And this is single touch. Just one. You cannot write simultaneously for two at the same time, okay? This is clean. You can slightly clean all.
Yeah, and we can also touch at the same time. You can see.
Okay.
我买家入直播间了。
This is the maximum 20 points.
Exactly. We can also touch the screen two people at the same time. Yeah. It is the function of this whiteboard. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so maybe let's say you are teaching your student and you want to ask two of your students to come to make the answer at the same time, so they have two pens and they can write at the same time on this board. Okay, and we can also add the pages, and this is page 2. Okay, and add page 3. So when we can choose which page to show, so you can choose. And we can also save as QR code, save the picture as a QR code.
Sorry, our live streaming cannot show the QR code, so we cannot show you. But if you want to see the details, we can make the video call later with you and show you details.
Okay, please follow us.
Yeah, welcome to follow us.
Okay. And we can save the document and open the different documents from here. Okay. Now let's get back to the home page. This is the second function is the file. So it's very easy to understand. We can regard this board as a computer, so we can save documents, images. 会不会有点黑？哦，开得好一点。Audio, video. Okay, this is very easy to understand, so we can also
我买
play
家进入直播间了。
the video directly. This is a recording. This is a recording video.
Hello guys, welcome to our live streaming. We are showing the interactive whiteboard for now. Hello.
Okay, let's say we play the video of our company. So it's like a showing video. Okay, let's get back to homepage. This is VIP. What VIP means that you can make this as a welcome board for different purpose. Like say we have a different background to welcome who to your company, or we can welcome who to the government. Or this is used for medical. So we can add words here. We can also change the color. Yes, we can also change the welcome. We can also change the pattern. The size. We can change the size and the pattern.
我买家进入直播间了。
Okay, as you can see, okay. We can also change different color. It's just the same as the whiteboard. Okay, let's get that. Okay, this is the function of welcome. And we can also get in the website for internet. So as you can see, this is the website of our domestic internet. Okay. You can also add. It's just like a computer. It's very easy to use. then we have also multi-screen. Multi-screen is very easy to understand. Let's say you're having a meeting and you want to join 4 different computer or your cell phone content to the whiteboard. You can use, this is the projector. You can use the projector to connect to your computer and then click the button, and then what shows in your computer will be shown here. Okay, this is the first way for the computer, and second way for the computer, you can enter changescreen.app to your browser and download the app. And then you can match by clicking the button on your computer. So you can match into this whiteboard. Okay. And then
二维码，挡住，挡住二维码，一会儿被禁了。
okay, and this is the
QR code cannot show you the.
QR code cannot be shown here.
Yeah.
So hold on. Okay, and this is the way to for the Apple cell phone, and this is the way for the Android cell phone. And it's very easy. You can just open the projection on the Apple cell phone, and
罗马家进入直播
for
间
the
了。
Android cell phone, you need to download an app and do as the app instructed, and then you can show what content on your cell phone will be shown here. Okay. Okay, and this is more apps. You can also download for like Zoom or Classroom or Meet for your for the conference or for the meeting. You can also download some video apps, so you can have watch movies here as well. Okay, and this is the task list. So you can check your task and you can delete. Okay.
罗买家进入直播间了。
那我说完，然后你再说吧，就我先介绍完这个，反正他要轮流的不停的在说的。Okay, and this is annotation. Annotation means you can write anything when you are talking.
Hello Yolanda, welcome to our live streaming.
Welcome guys, welcome to our live stream, and it's very easy to understand as well. So you may be wondering if it can be a note for the video. It's also okay. Let me show you. Okay, let's say we get back to the file and we play the video. Let's say this is the company introduction video, and we choose the annotation. Okay, we can also make the annotation here. This is the Vito company.
罗买家进入直播间了。
Like this. Okay. Confirm.
Confirm.
Okay, and next function. This is the switch of the signal. We have AV. We have different signals, HDMI 1, 2, and VGA, and pre-HDMI. And also we can use the OPS. Okay, OPS is the mini computer. OPS is the mini computer of this interactive whiteboard. So we can change to here. Okay, we need to wait a moment because it's changing. When we change into the OPS, this whiteboard is just like a computer. You can use it as exactly the computer. And we have different configuration for the OPS. You can choose different configuration, such as i3, i5,
有
i7,
买家进入直播间了。
and the different. Okay, now we switch to the OPS.
Because the Windows system so need some time to boot it.
Yeah. 上次好像没有这么久。Okay, now you can see this is the surface of the Windows. It's just exactly it's exactly what shows on the computer, right? So it's just the same. So needless to say more. Okay, let's get back. Let's get back to the Android system because this is originally the Android system. And at last, we have many different, and we have many different little tools such as the calendar. You can check the calendar.
Well,
and the child lock. So if you don't want the child and all the students to use this whiteboard, you can make with a lock. So we have our own password. Okay. So it's locked. Okay. And we have also energy saving, just to shut down. Okay. And this is eye protection. It turns yellow, as you can see. It turns, yeah, now it's white. And now it's yellow. You can check the difference. And then we also have the spotlight. So we can enlarge or make it smaller for the okay, choose here. Like this. You can make it larger or smaller. This is the spotlight. Okay. And many different tools here, such as the timer or curtain or split screen. We can have two different screens here. So maybe you want to show your video here and you want to introduce and write something at the same time. That can be realized. And we also have okay, and you can also record the screen, or we can make the screenshot. Okay, it's just like our cell phone. We can have the lower or higher volume and the different brightness. You see you can see it obviously. Okay, we have also the shortcut here, so it's very easy for you for the quick solution. Okay, we also have the bracket, the mobile stand for different options, or we can make it wall mounted, so you can choose different accessories. Okay, now coming up, Mark will introduce you other Vito products.
Yeah, okay, well, because Chatty lost something for the whiteboard, and now I'd like to show more details for you so that you can understand it well. And actually, we have the whiteboard of some different sizes, such as 55-inch, 65-inch, 55-inch, 85-inch, but this one is 86-inch, and we can also make the biggest size is 110 inches. Yeah, and for the camera, as you see just now on this side, just one moment, you can see. Some guys will ask us about the camera because we can make the built-in camera and built-in microphone inside. Yeah, on the top. Yeah, if you want to add the camera built-in and camera microphone, you can tell us, and we will like to match the details for you. And actually, for in our industry, LCD industry, we have been in this industry about more than 15 years. Yeah. So we can the biggest update latest size version, Android version is 11, Android 11. So I can show you the details for the Android version. You can see Android version is Android 11. So we have updated the system to Android 11. Yeah, and for the built-in memory, and we can also update more. I mean, they make it more higher. Yeah, and also for the appearance. Now I will introduce the appearance for you because some guys will ask me about the installation method. We have two methods. First one is the floor standing, as you can see in our live streaming. Hello, Mark. Welcome to our live streaming. We are showing the interactive whiteboard. If you have any question, welcome to leave your message in our live streaming. And we'd like to show you the details and answer your question one by one. Thank you. And welcome to follow us. And okay, as you can see, this is the floor standing style, and it is with wheels, and we can move it easily because there are 4 wheels at the bottom, so that you can move it easily. You can see? Yeah, I can move it left and right because I have the live streaming, and because I have the wheels on the bottom. If you don't like it, you can remove it and hang it on the wall directly because we will match the wall mounted bracket. Yeah, this is the installation method. And then secondly, we have this screen is based on the Android system. So this one is Android system, but as Tash showed you before, we can match it for the. We can also match another system, OPS. We call it a Windows system, as you can see. Yeah, this is Windows system because we have made the OPS inside. So now this screen is double system. One is Android 11 system, and another is the. Yes, I will show you. Oh, sorry. Yeah, internal one, Wi-Fi, and fourth generation. Yeah, you can see. So we can make 2 different systems inside. So, yeah. So actually, this screen can be two built-in system inside. But if you have any question about the system version, you can tell us because we can make different system inside. Yeah. And also, Chatty lost us about the interfaces. About the interfaces, we have a lot of interfaces such as USB, HDMI in, RJ45, and the Wi-Fi, and some different interfaces because this whiteboard is functional. So we can make a lot of different interfaces inside, such as USB, so that you can plug the USB driver for school or officers, and also you can use the HDMI cable to project your computer to this screen. And one more detailed function about the project function, because you can use your mobile phone to just your mobile phone, Android or iPhone all are available because you can use your iPhone to upload your screen to this whiteboard. We call it a projector function. So actually, this screen is more healthy and more convenient for school, for teacher, and for officers because you can use it for teaching and meeting. Yeah. I can show you, actually because in our live streaming, I cannot show you the details. So I can only show you the interfaces and some different, the functions. Yeah. But if you want to show, if you want more details, we can make the video call and you can leave the message in our live streaming. We can also tell you and introduce it for you via the video call, yeah. And actually, for the Google Chrome, some guys will ask me about the Google Chrome because we will export this screen to other countries. We know all the countries will use the Google Chrome or Google Player, so you don't need to worry about this part because we will download it for you. As you can see, we can download the YouTube, we can download the Twitter, or some different apps for you if you want me to download it for you. Yeah, just tell you we can make it. Yeah. And about the whiteboard function, I will add something. Firstly, this screen, as Chatty told you before, this screen is 20-point touch. And if you use your switch it to single touch, you can change it to here, from here, single touch or multi-touch. If you change it to single touch, you can write down something. For example, our company name. I can use 2 fingers and make it more smaller and make it more higher. You can see? Yeah, this is the function about the whiteboard. Hello, audition. Welcome to our live streaming. Welcome to, well, we are introducing the interactive whiteboard for you. This is one is the 86-inch. And welcome to leave your message to our live streaming. Welcome. Okay, go ahead. You can use, and this is more healthy because you don't need to chalk to clear it. And we can use your palm. And when you use your palm to touch the screen, well, it will be on eraser. You can see? You can clear it directly. And also you can let it back. Yeah, this is the function about it. And this page is on limitation. You can move it, let it go. And write down something. Yeah, you can see you can write down something and let it back. So more details on here. But for example, this class is English and the next class is math. But you don't want to lose the notes, so you can add some different pages. You can edit it. For example, first page is for the English, second page is for the math. So it is more convenient for students and teachers because nobody wants to lose the notes. Yeah. Okay, this is details for the interactive whiteboard. And also, some guys will ask us about how we can switch the shapes, such as triangle, or square, or circle. Just here, shape. Switch it. Yeah, you can see. It is more better for math teacher. Yeah. Hello friends, welcome to our live streaming. And this is Mark. Chatty and I will introduce the LCD in our company. If you have any question, welcome to live streaming. Chatty will help me answer you. Yeah. Hello. Okay. We can also switch the background. You can see, confirm, and the background is changed. Okay. This is the function about the blackboard. Let's back to. Okay, sorry. Let's back to the enjoy the task. Okay, this one is the enjoy the task, and they are function about I called it a post-it because as our original manufacturer, we have a lot of different functions on it, and also for this school and teachers want to make some notes on the screen, but if some guys didn't focus on the words, you can make a special mark. Yeah, you can see. We can make some different marks on the screen because we call it the post-it function. And you can also switch it and also switch the color, switch the details on there. This is the post-it function. Do you have any question for this one? And I'd like to show you more details. Hello friends, welcome to our live streaming. This is Mark and we are introducing or showing the interactive whiteboard. And we will match the touchpad for you and the remote for the whiteboard. Yeah. And you can use your finger or your pen to touch the screen directly. Do you guys have any question? If you have any question, just tell us, and I'd like to introduce for you.
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, friend Arjun. Welcome to our live streaming, and welcome to follow us. Okay, this is the function about the whiteboard we told just now, and there is a function we call it the multi-screen. Multi-screen just means you can use your iPhone or Android mobile phone to project the screen to there. We call it the multi-screen. Hello, friend. Welcome to our live streaming. Okay. And there are some small functions. Just like me, you can change the voice. Sorry, I will change the camera now so that I can see it. Okay, yeah, okay. You can see in this corner you can change the voice and you can change the brightness. Yeah, you can see. You can change it directly from here and
有买家进入直播间了。
Please hold on. We are coming back. Hold on, please. Okay. Mark is having an emergency situation. Hold on. Okay, and that's almost all for the interactive whiteboard, right, Mark?
Yeah.
Okay, and next we coming up. We introduce you the bar screens.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, you can see this screen is a lot of people want to put it for the supermarket shelf because it's much smaller. I mean the height, and you can see there are a lot of different pictures and videos because we use our CMS software. What's the CMS software? Content management software. We call it the CMS shortly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can design the pictures, I mean the content from our CMS software and update. I mean upload it from there to this screen. So it is convenient for some users. Yeah, and we can use different because this screen we call it bar LCD screen because it's much longer for than others. And hello guys, hello Jesus. We welcome to our live streaming. We are introducing our bar LCD screen. If you have any question, welcome to leave a message for our streaming. And also, here is the built-in Wi-Fi part. Built-in Wi-Fi, so you can connect to Wi-Fi. That's no problem. Okay, I will sit down to introduce more details for you. And some guys will ask me about the system. Now I will introduce the system for you. Firstly, and you can see the back cover is flat, so you can hang it on the wall flatly. No some screws on the back, so don't you worry about the back cover. And if you have any questions, you can tell us. And also, some guys will ask me about the CMS software. Actually, we can use our CMS software to upload the content, such as pictures, videos. You can design it by yourself, and such as your company's logo. Yeah, we have a lot of clients to ask me upload the pictures, and we have guidance videos. Yeah, and software we will. If we have our technology department. If you have any question about the software, and we can also.
有买家进入直播间了。
Okay. Hello, friends. Because I'm not sure I can read your name correctly, so just call your friend. Okay. Welcome to our live streaming. We are introducing the bar LCD screen, and this one is 23.1 inch, and we are connecting the Wi-Fi and to upload some different contents from our CMS software. And in our CMS software, there is monitor function. You can use our CMS software to upload the contents. Yeah. Welcome to our live streaming. Hello guys. Hello friends. Welcome to follow us and welcome to our live streaming. We have a lot of different contents and different products. Okay. This one is the Android system because Windows, as we all know, Windows smartboard is much bigger than this screen. So we cannot fix the Windows system inside. So you can see the system, this one is the Android system. Yeah. And also we use the different sizes, we'll use different power cord, because such as small sizes, we'll use the DC power cord. Yeah, because it's much enough. Yeah, and if you much bigger, such as this one, on the interactive whiteboard, we're gonna use the AC power cord. Yeah, so just the AC is enough. Okay, and this screen is bar LCD screen, and we call it this is the 23.1 inch, and another one in front of me. I mean this one. This one is the 24 inch. So we have a power it. You can see this DC power cord. Okay. This one, it is much bigger than the first one I showed you before, because this one is much bigger, and the thickness will be much bigger too. And there are some different interfaces such as RJ45, DC power cord, and USB in this side. Yeah, and you can also connect with Wi-Fi because this part, can you see it clearly? Wi-Fi antenna here. This one is Wi-Fi antenna. You don't need to worry about the Wi-Fi. Yeah, and also this is the bracket on the back cover. You can hang it on the wall directly, firstly, and put the screen to it, and it will fix it on there. Okay, that's back to sorry, the power is not good. I will change another later. You can see we have our CMS software. We have our CMS software. Our CMS software setting is, it will go to the playing. I mean where you connect the power, and it will turn on, and it will play the content directly because this is our CMS software setting. And if you quit this playing aid, it will back. It will back after a few minutes because this is our system setting too. Yeah.
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello guys, welcome to our live streaming. We are introducing the bar LCD screen. If you have any question, welcome to left message for this. And some guys will ask me about the touch. If the bar LCD screen can be touched, the answer is yes. But if you wanted to make it touch, but if we need to customize. But regarding the customize, it will mean more money, as you can see. Okay. This is the bar LCD screen. One is just two symbols because we have our limitation sizes, and in our live streaming I cannot fix them all in our live streaming. So just show you two symbols here. Yeah. And if you have any question, just leave a message for you. Okay.
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello friends, welcome to our live streaming. Do you have any question about the bar LCD screen I showed you just now? If yes, just tell us and we will introduce it for you. And about the Wi-Fi antenna, this one is small size because we'll focus. We are use it. Some guys will use it for the supermarket shelf. As we all know, supermarket shelf is small height. So we designed it small height and flat back cover. So you can fix it on there greatly, perfectly, or yeah. And regarding the CMS software, I mean the content management software, you can use it to upload the contents, such as the Zhou sentences from the right to left, just the sentences, and such as the LED lights. And you can also use it to upload the contents. And also about the picture, you can see you can upload the pictures, videos at the same time. It can play by itself all
罗
the
马
time.
家进入直播间了。
And the screen can work 24 hours by 10 days all the time. So you don't need to worry about the working time. And working time can be 60,000 hours. Yeah, you can use it. It has long-term live streaming. I mean lifetime. Yeah, sorry. Hello guys, welcome to our live streaming. If you have any questions, just tell us, and we'd like to show you details. Okay, and welcome to live streaming. My colleague will send my ID card for you. You can tell us if you can leave message for you if you want audit. Okay, this one is the browser screen, and now on the back this is the interactive whiteboard. We can make different sizes, such as 45 inch to 110 inches. And we have been in this LCD industry about more than 15 years. So if you have any question, we can discuss more, and we'd like to show you our solution for you. Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is the bar LCD screen we talked just now. And actually all the
罗马家进
details.
入直播间了。
Hello friends, welcome to our live streaming. Okay, now I will introduce another stuff for you, floor scanning kiosk. Okay, here. Okay, thank you, Zeki. Okay, sorry.
看得到吗？
Okay. Now I'd like to show you the floor scanning kiosk. Now this one is the remote, because for the Android device, we will match the remote for you so that they can control it greatly. And if the screen is, if you lose the remote, you can connect the mouse. Hello, Patrick. Welcome to our live streaming. We are showing the floor scanning kiosk with touch or non-touch. Yeah. Okay, but go back to the screen. As what I told you before, you can use our CMS software. Such like this one picture, one video, and one loading sentences. This is my design, because I just want to show you the more functions. So just show you the symbols on the screen. Okay, this screen is not touch. You can use the remote or the mouse to control it. Hello guys, I'm introducing the floor scanning kiosk for indoor. If you have any questions, just tell us, and we'd like to show you more details one by one. Okay, this screen can also be connected with Wi-Fi and RJ45 here, and also this one is touch. If you have any questions, just tell us, and we'd like to show you more details. Okay, this screen can connect with Wi-Fi. Yeah, you can see. Let me change the language to English. Okay, now it's Chinese. Just change it to English.
看不到你们。
Okay, Okay. Change the language to English. Now it's in English. Just want to show you, you can also change the language inside by yourself. Yeah, and it can also connect with Wi-Fi, just like our Android mobile phone. Okay, because in our live streaming, the network, maybe the Wi-Fi is more be poor, so we cannot play it. Not, let me show you.
Vito 直播间，
嗯
不是那个，
就是这样。
是密码是 Vito 直播间。
Okay. Okay, we can, because I forgot the password, but just want to show you we can connect with Wi-Fi and what RJ45, and you can also use the remote because this screen is touch. You can change the language directly, and also you can connect with mouse and control it. For the Android device, you can control it directly, and you can also use the CMS software to upload the contents. And actually, some guys will ask me about the logo. Firstly, we can make the building logo, and secondly, we can make the booting logo. Just like your mobile phone. When your mobile phone if your mobile phone is Android system, it will show you Android when you turn it on. And if it is the iPhone, it will show you the logo of the iPhone when you turn it on. Just we call it a booting logo. Yeah, we can also make it and flash it in the screen inside. It will show you your company logo when it's being turned on. Yeah, and we can also print your company logo in this part, so we call it printing logo. Yeah, and actually all the screen can for all of the Android device. You can use our CMS software. Some guys will ask me about it can be a Windows system. The answer, of course, is yes. And Windows system, you can use our CMS software because we don't match the CMS software for the Android system, Windows system, sorry. And different sizes, different details, and different height. Yeah. And also, if you have your own OKS, I mean a built-in player, if you have your own player, we can also left the USB port or HDMI port so that you can connect with your details, I mean a player. Okay. If you have your own software want me test it for you, we can also test it for you freely, no need cost. Hello guys, this is Mark and we are introducing the Flowscenic kiosk. If you have any question, welcome to leave your message in our live streaming. Okay? And welcome to leave your message in our live streaming. We'd like to show you more details. Okay? As you can see, this screen is, this one behind me is the 43-inch. And this one, it is 49-inch. And this one, 43-inch is touch and 49-inch is non-touch. Just want to show you, we can make touch and non-touch. So depends on you if you want it, and we can discuss more if you need it. And you can use the also some guys will ask me if it can run your own website. The answer is yes. Because in our CMS software, you can upload your website in there, and when you turn it on, it will go there directly. Of course, the networks will be better because running website is need to website. Yeah.
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, Bright. Welcome to our live streaming. And this is Mark, and we are introducing the Flowscenic kiosk. And this one is all for the indoor. If you want to put it outdoor, that will be another device because outdoor device should be waterproof, have brightness sensor. It will change the brightness by itself when it's showing face the sunlight. I mean, and also we need to make the cooling system for the outdoor device because the screen is high temperature. Will face a high temperature, so we need to make a cooling system so the screen can work well all the time. Yeah. Hello guys, welcome to our live streaming. This is Mark and we are introducing the Flowscenic kiosk. Welcome to our live streaming. And this one is, we can also make the silver color and also white, black color. And also if you want to make it white, we can also make it. And other color is available, but just the different codes. And because it will be customized. Okay, you can see I designed the program before, one picture, one video, and one rolling sentences. This is the program I made before. You can also design it because if you want me to teach you, and I can, because I am familiar for this software. And also, wait a moment. I'm just thinking how should I see? And you can also design the. Hello, friend. Welcome to our live streaming. This is Mark, and I'm introducing the floor spinning kiosk. And if you have any question, you can tell us, and we'd like to show you more details. And about the printing logo, we can all make it. And about the CMS software, if you want to see more details, I can show you. And let's study together. You can also connect with your colleagues, and we can make the Zoom meeting. And I'd like to show you more details. Okay. Do you have any question for the kiosk? Some guys will ask me if we have the built-in battery, because some place cannot connect the power cord all the time. The answer is yes, because we also have models with the built-in battery for indoor and for outdoor. Yeah, but the screen can also work about the 10 hours if you disconnect with. Hello guys. Hello Jamil. Welcome to our live streaming. Hello Jamil. Welcome to our live streaming. This is Mark, and we are introducing the floor spinning kiosk. And welcome to our leave your message. Do you have any question? If yes, you can tell us directly. Okay. Okay, the auto screen can connect with Wi-Fi and connect with the RJ45. Yeah. And auto screen can use the the Android system can work with the CMS software. You can also design the details just like this one: picture, video, websites, your weather, your PowerPoint, your PDF documents. Yeah. Okay.
累的时候有地方。
等一下，我回一下客户。Okay, my colleague Chatty will introduce some details. Okay.
还是重复说一次。
你想讲什么？
我现在想要停吗？
停。
Okay. Welcome to our live stream, friends. This is Chatty from Vito Technology. Okay, please follow us and give us likes. And now let me introduce you Vito company and also our LCD displays. Firstly, let me introduce you Vito company. Our company has been in this business for over 50 years. So we are very professional. We have very stable quality on the LCD digital signage. And our company have a 3,000 square meter factory, and we have over 60 staff. We have two production lines, and we have a dust-proof workshop. So we have our own R&D team, and we have our company ISO certificated, and we have our products CE, RoHS, FCC, CCC certificated. So do not worry about the quality because we are very professional in this business. After all, we have been in this business for 15 years, okay? And coming up, we have warranty for 1 year, and during the first 3 months, we provide free replacement and free freight for the first 3 months, and for the rest 9 months, we we provide free replacement and half rate for you. So you do not need to worry about the quality, and you do not need to worry about the warranty. And we have products with a wide range, such as the interactive whiteboard like this, and the wall-mounted screens, and the floor-standing screens, and the portable screens, and for also have many different various screens, but just in different shapes. So for different purpose, and they are used for different places. So you can leave us messages if you want to know a specific item, or if you have any question, you can just leave us messages. We will reply you right away. Okay. And okay. Now I will introduce you one of our products. This is the bar screen. Also, we call it stretch bar screen. As you can see, this is super slim, right? We have different size from 8-inch to 49.5 inch. And this is the super slim, because you know the bar screens are used for the supermarkets, the hotels, the subways. So the slimmer, the better, right? Okay, we also have a bigger size. This one, okay, we have also a bigger size. This is 24-inch, and it's much thicker and it's heavier. Okay, but no worry. Let me introduce you one by one. Okay, as you can see now, two of them are showing the different contents. Okay? Two of them are showing different contents. Okay, now firstly, you can see. Okay, this one is the slim one. This is the heavier one, and for this one we have seven different screens, and this one is just one video playing. So how come we can control the content? We can control the program by the CMS. CMS is the system for the content management. So it's very easy to use. You just upload the video, the pictures onto the platform, and then you make the program and just send to the device by the platform, by the backstage of the system, and it's very easy to use. Then it will show automatically in the screen. It's very easy, yes. And we also have the cloud server for you to choose. If you want to control the screen in China, but you are in USA, you can also use the cloud server to create and send the program to the screen. Yes, it's very easy and it's very convenient. Okay, as you can see, the shelf is very tough. It's made of metal, so the quality is very stable. It's very thin, and it has a narrow border. The border is very narrow, so you can see the wider viewing size. Okay, and we have also the bracket, the wall-mounted bracket for it. It's just like a sheet. It's very thin. So you just use the screws to fix that to the wall, or the shelf, and then you just click here, click the back, so directly to the bracket, so it will be fixed and put well. It's very easy for the installation. Okay, and we have different. We have also different interfaces. For the slim one, we have the TF card, RJ45, and the Wi-Fi. And we have also the mini jack connection for the power. So it's very easy to use. If you have any question, you can just leave me the message. I can reply you right away. Okay. And as we can see from the bigger one, from the back, you can see this one. The thickness is thicker, right? And it's much heavier as well. But but for different purpose, you can use different sizes. Okay. We also accept customization. Customization means that you can choose any length, any width. Yes, any length, any width you want for the stretch bar screen. Yeah. Let's say we have a 75 inch or 86 inch. You can imagine how big is that? Like 1.9 meter, 1.9 meters long. So you can imagine that would be very big. So this is a very small one. This is 23.1 inch. And we have a very good price on the 23.1 and 46.6 inch. Yes, welcome guys. Welcome Jamri. Welcome Fernando. Welcome guys. So if you have any questions, you can just leave us the messages and I can reply you now, or you can leave me the message. You can ask later, but please also give us likes and follow us. Thank you. And also next coming up, we will introduce you the interactive whiteboard. 再继续讲一次吗？可以吗？还是 Okay. The interactive whiteboard, as you can see just behind me, this one is 75 inch, and the glass is tempered glass. It's 4 millimeter tempered glass, and it's very tough. You can. It will not be damaged. It will not be damaged easily. Okay. And you can see the outlook. It's very fashion and it's professional for business. It's very beautiful. Okay, we have also the stand, the mobile stand. We can also make it wall mounted, and we can also make it with the mobile stand. We have 2 different mobile stands. You can choose any of them. And then we also have an accessory like the pens, the projectors, and we can also use the keyboard to connect to this. And you can also use the keyboard, but this is not the default. This is not the default accessory. Okay, this pen is the default accessory. Okay, and okay, the stands have 4 wheels, so it's very easy for you to move, and you can click the breaker and you can block it to the place, so it will be very stable. Okay, and we have many different interfaces from in the front and the back and the side, so it can make you input with different signals. Okay, now let me introduce you the functions of this interactive whiteboard. The motherboard of it can be different configurations, so you can choose different configurations for this. The default motherboard is Android system, Android 11 version, so it's very upgraded version. And okay, now let me introduce you the functions one by one. Firstly, this is the whiteboard. This is the whiteboard function, and we can first choose the color of the pen and the size of the pen and the pattern of the words. Let's say, oh, this is. No, I don't want it black. I choose red. Okay. Okay, you can choose different color, different pattern. Okay, you can see the difference, right? Okay. Next, I can use the pole as the eraser. Check this out. Okay. I use this, and you can see it. You see? Yeah, I make it slower. So, yeah. Okay. And we can add the shapes, different shapes. Rectangular. Okay, the circle, or different like stars. We can make it larger. We can make it smaller. Okay, we can also make We can also make the different like moon. We can also copy and paste. We choose. And we can also choose different background for such as the background color. Yeah, red or green. Or we can change the picture shape. We can change to this shape. Okay, we can change the shape and we can change the background color. And we also can change. We can also add our own picture to be the background. So it depends on you. Okay. Okay, and this is undo and this is redo. It's easy to understand. And we can select. And we can select which point to move. Okay, such like this. Okay. And this is a single touch and multi-touch. Multi-touch means like this. Yes. Single touch means this. Okay, just one single touch. This is multi-touch for maximum 20 touch at the same time. Check this out. Okay, you see now this is 10 touch and 10 points, but it's maximum 20 touch. For example, you wanted to ask your student to come up to answer the question at the board. In front of the board, you can ask 2 or 3 students to write down the answers at the same time. Okay, we can also slide to clean all this out. Okay, we do. And if you want to have a different page, okay, we can also make it we can also make it smaller or larger like this. So we can move it. Yeah. That is very easy to use. Okay, you can also add different page, like we say this is page 2. Okay, and you can also add third page. Okay. So we can choose the page, different page from the list here. So this is the first page, this is the second page, right? Okay, and you can also save it, and you can insert a picture or insert any document here if you want, and you can save the screen as the PDF file and send to your colleague or your friends or your students by QR code. Okay. Okay, next function. Let's get back to homepage. This is the file management. Needless to say, just like our computer, you can just put the videos, the pictures, or any documents, PowerPoint or Excel, Word to the file. It's very easy to understand. Okay. Okay. Let's say you can put some movies or videos. You can also display here. For instance, this is the video. Alibaba introduction video. You can see it from here. So you can also add. The sound, the brightness, at the same time. Okay. The sound. Okay, let's get back to homepage. This is the VIP. VIP means the welcome board. Welcome board, like say, we are a company or reception and you want to welcome some leaders to visit the company or your customers to visit the company. You can just make it the background and you can welcome Mr. Who. Okay, you can write different. Okay, let's say welcome. Okay, welcome. You can also choose different color, white, green, blue, white, and we can also change the different pattern, and we can also change the different size. Different size here. Okay, you can also insert the picture. Okay, it's very easy to understand for this point. Okay, let's get to pin 7. Is it? Yes. is it. And we can see, we have many different options. This one is for company, and this one is for government, for medical, for education, for advertising, and traffic, car, manufacturers, clothing, building, custom. Okay, anything you want to add, or you can make your own. You can make your own background, such as you want to have let's say a wedding or classmates meeting, something like that. You can make your own background with different words. Okay, so it's very easy to understand, huh? Okay, the next page, next one is the browser. It's just like a computer. You can add the, let's say Baidu in China. Okay, we can see it's getting Wi-Fi, so you can see different news. Okay. So you can also add different like Google, but so far I cannot get on Google because this is local internet. Okay. This is just the same like our computer. The next one is the multi-screen. The multi-screen means it's up to 4 different screens you can project, no matter your computer or your cell phone onto the screen. For example, if you want to, let's say, project 2 cell phone and 2 computer onto the screen, so it will be totally 4 screens on this screen. So you can. Hi, welcome to our live stream, guys. This is Jackie and Mark introducing you Vito Technology products. Our products are LCD, digital signage, and now we're introducing the interactive whiteboard. And wait. Okay. We were talking about the projector. Okay. Firstly, for the computer, we can use the projector, and we just plug the projector. This is the accessory. Plug the projector to your computer, and you just click the button, and what shows on your screen will be shown here. And it can be a reverse control. Okay, you can control the computer, and the whiteboard will be shown differently. Okay, and if you control the screen, your computer will be shown the same content as well. That is like a reverse control. Okay. And the second way for the computer, you can just log in a website, and then you click as it instructed, and you don't need to have the accessory. You don't need to have the projector. You just log in the website and match, and you just match this whiteboard name, and then what shows on your computer will be shown here as well. Okay, and now comes to the this one is for. Sorry. Okay, so hold on. And okay, sorry, we cannot show the QR code here because our live stream will be blocked. Okay, and where will be? Okay. We talk about the cell phone projection. Okay, we use the Apple cell phone, and it's very easy. You can just use the screen, mirror screen. And for the Android system, you need to download an app. You need to download the app and do what it is instructed, and then you can also get it projected to this screen. It's very easy, very easy. Okay, next function. This is more apps, so you can download from the Play Store, or you can download the apps by your USB and install here. 2 ways for you. Okay, you can download the Zoom or Meet or Classroom for education, for your meeting, for your conference, something like that. Okay, and this is the PS. You can check the Word itself, PowerPoint. Okay, very easy to understand. So next coming up, this is the task list. Okay, if you want to check out which task you want to use, so you can just check here. If you don't want it, you can just click just delete it. Okay. And next one is Mark 这个帮我移过来一点点。And this one, okay. 这边也是。Hold on. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Okay. And this is annotation function. So we can choose the color, like purple. Okay. We choose the color, and we can choose the size. You see, maybe purple color is not easy to see. Let me choose white, the red color. You can make the annotation. Okay, you can also choose the size to be bigger. Okay, this is bigger. Okay. Okay, and you can also erase it like this. Okay. Redo and undo, and you can also delete. Okay, quit it. And also, when you're playing the video, you may want to know if we can make the annotation during the video. Let me show you. It can be also be realized. Let's say this is the video of our company. Okay. This is the video of the company, okay, and you can choose the annotation as well. It will be paused.
罗马家进入
It
直
will
播
be
间了。
paused for the video. You can choose the size, the color, okay, video. Yes, you can see. You can also make the annotation during the video. So the function is multiple. Okay, let's get back. And this is for the signal change. We have HDMI interface, we have AV interface, we have the VGA interface, we also have the OPS interface. So there are many different signals for you to choose to be shown on this interactive whiteboard. So yes, again, the function is multiple. And what is OPS? You can see this is OPS. What is OPS? OPS is a mini computer. It's just like the motherboard of the computer, but it can be plugged into this just at the back of this whiteboard.
罗马家进入直播间了。
So it's you can plug it to the back of this whiteboard, and for this whiteboard it can be used as a computer. Let me show you. Okay, let's get to OPS. Now it's switching to the OPS. That is the Windows system. Okay, hold on. We need some time when it's switched.
往上推，往上推。
Fine. Okay, now this is the interface of the Windows already, right? You can see it's familiar for you. Okay. It's this is exactly the computer. So needless to say, okay, let's get back to the Android system. The whiteboard itself is Android 11. This is Android system. And then we have many different small tools here, such as the calendar, the child lock,
罗马家进入直播间
and
了。
energy saving and the eye protection. As you can see, the eye protection, it turns yellow when you click it. Can you see the difference? Okay, I'll go back to white. And we also have the spotlight. You can make this the spotlight. Okay. And you can also make it smaller or larger. Smaller, larger, smaller. Okay. Okay, quick. And there are many different small tools such as the volume and the brightness and the timer and the curtain and the split screen. You see now there's two screens. Now there's two screens. You can show different content. And we also have the record. We can record the screen and we can have the screenshot And if you buy the one with the camera and the microphone, it can be also, you can take the pictures from the camera here. Okay, and here are the logout signs. Okay, the tools here, and we can have also quick ways for the volume, for the backlight, for the whiteboard, something like this. So you can choose different fast way to for these functions. Okay, now Mark will introduce you more. If you have any question, please leave us the messages and we can reply you right away. Thank you.
Yeah, just like Chatty said, you can also use our CMS software or
有买家进入直播间了。
camera, built-in camera and built-in microphone inside, so that you can record the meeting and make the meeting together with your colleagues. And also, this screen we can make different sizes, such as 55 inch to 110 inches. Yeah, this one, this is 75 还是75? Well, this is the 75 inches, and with the wheels, I mean, there is also the plat, so that you can put some whiteboard, keyboard, some different thing on there. And also, for this whiteboard, it is 20-point touch screen, and you can use your fingers to touch the screen directly, change it to multi-touch, and you can write down something at the same time. Yeah. And also, if you use your palm to touch the screen, it will be on eraser, and you can clear it. Yeah, so actually it is more convenient and healthy for students and teachers. And because you can use your USB driver to plug it on there, and the screen can read it. And you can open any files on there. And actually this screen, if you take some notes on the screen, for example, some words,
有买家进入直播间了。
some words on the screen, and you can also download it in this file, in these documents. And if you connect it with your USB driver, you can also connect with your USB driver and download it there and save it there. So it is more convenient actually for officers and for teachers. Yeah. Actually, it has a lot of functions because we cannot show you more details such as the QR code in this live streaming. So if you have any question about the details for these whiteboards, you can tell us, and we'd like to show you via Zoom meeting or video call directly. We can also speak English and introduce it for you one by one. And we have our live streaming. And this 3D, we have our showroom and workshop. Maybe we can introduce it there to you. And we house our meeting, showroom and workshop, and our company and our certifications for you. We are the meeting call. Some guys will care about the real manufacturer. How to show you just do the meeting. We can show you and know more each other. Yeah. Okay, this is the whiteboard function. And also, actually, as I told you before, this screen is for the, this screen is based on the Android screen. So you can see the Android device interfaces on there because it is Android screen. And also, we can match the different OPS, such as different versions, such as i7, i3, i5, and so on. If you have your own requirements, you can tell us, because some guys will care about the Windows 11 or Windows 10, so that their software can work well at the moment. And also, there are some shortcut key on the screen, such as the home key, back key, and so on. You can also use the shortcut keys to switch the software directly, and just like this one.
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello guys, this is Mark, and we are introducing the floor standing kiosk and the whiteboard for you. If you have any questions, just tell us, and we'd like to show you the details. If you have any questions, just leave a message. Hello guys, this is Mark, and I'm introducing the interactive whiteboard. Welcome. Okay, this is the floating. Sorry, this one. This is the floating button I said before. You can open it and switch the software directly. Just as I put the whiteboard here, just touch it and it will go back to the in whiteboard from apps directly. Hello guys, welcome to our live streaming. This is Mark and I'm introducing the floor standing whiteboard. Okay, this is, and it also has the home key, you can see, and also have the back key. It will, when you click the back key, it will back to the last step you made. And also you can make a screenshot and save it to this system. Yeah. Okay. This is the, you can see the screenshot can be saved. And when you flash it from the bottom, and you can see a lot of different apps on there. It is also available apps. You can switch the sounds. You can switch to some different details. Hello guys, this is Mark and welcome to our live streaming. We are introducing the floor standing kiosk and the interactive whiteboard for you. Welcome. Okay, and this screen can be 55 inch to 110 inch. If you have any question, tell us. Okay, and as we told you before, you can also switch the language by yourself. Right here, you can also change the time. You can also change the voice, change the brightness, and also change the language. And you change the Spanish. You can see all the apps are changed to the Spanish too. Okay, back to the English. Just want to show you, you can also change the language by yourself. Yeah, it is easy to switch. Hello guys, welcome to our live streaming. We are introducing our LCD display. If you have any questions, just tell us, and we will end our live streaming soon because this is our live streaming today. And if you have any questions, just tell us and follow us, and we will make some different live streaming every week. So if you have any questions, just leave the message to me, and we will introduce for you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you guys.
Okay.
See you
Today
next
is
time.
finished. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, just ask us at any time. Okay.
Okay.
See you next week.
Bye.
10点正好，一分不少。累死了。
OK 了哈。好了。